What's up guys, Karl here, and today I'm going to be tinting Andrew Farmer's car with just stuff that I bought from Walmart. We got the tint. We're going to do 20% on his back two windows. You need some Bondo cards, like nice and squishy, helps move around the tint. But Bondo cards are better. Then 1-inch blade, and then this blade that you can break off to use like for cutting the tint.
I thought those were called Ouija's or whatever.
Yeah, Bondo card squeegee, I don't know.
Okay.
Bondo's just like the brand, so.
Oh, okay.
Then we got the blades, and then the heat gun. For like if the window's curved, you just heat gun like all like little fingers that pop up, and you'll see that later in the video. Also, you need some soapy water to help like spray it on the window so you can move the tint around. So without further ado, let's get into it. Spray it all in there. The inside of the window's gonna, like the door panel's gonna get wet, so you might want to cover it.
Okay.
Good idea. And you just get like a Bondo card, squeegee, and then just go across and clean a lot of like the big stuff out.
So you're just cleaning the window right now?
Yes.
Alright.
And then get like a 1-inch blade, keep it at like a steep angle, and then put it across to like clean it a lot. Or clean it better. For this.
Alright, we got to clean the door.
Just get that nice good clean. Now we get the tint.
Oh yes.
So there's instructions that comes with the tint, but you should follow my instructions because it's better. It's Karl's garage.
The Karl way.
What?
You don't follow the instructions?
I mean, you don't need to. I don't. So what you do is you spray the window, get it nice and wet, and you put the tint. So basically, be careful not to crease the tint. You spray this, then you can tack it in place so it stays.
Incredible.
And then we're gonna cut it. So I'm gonna use this blade. Oh yes. Okay. So now with that tint, you don't want to crease it at all. So just put it like in a nice
Just
place
put it back in the container.
on the ground. Fine. Okay. Good. Good. Smart. Okay, so what you're gonna do now is just align it at the bottom. So let's lift it up, and then
Drip check.
drip check. Okay, so you're gonna want to tack it in place.
Oh, I got the camera foggy.
Like a rough outline, yeah. So you don't want to go too far down, cause like it goes up. You want to like cut like this. Oh. You just rip it away, and then you're good. It's lined up over there. You can just go like on the black rubber part. Just cut. Straight down, and then rip away.
Incredible. Amazing. Curved for the car.
Yeah.
I think truck windows are kind of
But like,
retarded.
like some are flat. Like those
Yeah,
are
kinda
kind of
retarded.
flat.
The retarded one right there? Oh.
All right. Up like that, and then just cut.
Okay, hang on, I gotta go. Come over
Where?
here.
Okay, good. All right, and then just like. You want no smoke?
Nope.
Okay. 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 Good enough. You know, it's just Andrew's car, so okay.
Yeah, that's alright.
I'm doing the same on the other side.
Yeah, same thing. Okay, so some of this side part is gonna get tucked in on the side, but I think we might need to cut a little bit. Like, if you want to check. If you want to check, just like, yeah, so I'm gonna cut some.
Dude, you can't play that. He's gonna get copyrighted. You don't.
Because we need to cut this a little bit shorter. You gonna try?
It's up to Andrew. It's his car.
If you want, as long as you don't cut anything.
I guess I'll try.
Okay.
All the way up?
Yep.
Camera.
Sorry.
Okay. So now that we got the sides cut, we're gonna roll down the window and then cut the top.
Now we're gonna roll it down.
Yeah, tap, 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 tap.
Oh.
Tap, 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 tap.
Top.
A little bit more. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go, good. Muffler delete video. Okay. All right. Okay. Before I was rudely interrupted, now we're gonna cut the top off. So what you want to do is you want to align. So like just start the cut like that, and then stay. What is it? Parallel, perpendicular, one of the two.
Parallel.
To the top.
Yeah, stay parallel.
Or you're using the window as a guide.
Yes.
Yeah, without cutting the window, hopefully.
Nah, you're just going over the
I don't
top.
think you cut. I don't think you can cut the
Yeah, I
window.
don't think you can either.
Well, like not like that.
Yeah. I mean, you can definitely cut it, but not like across like that.
Yeah.
Cut your window? Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
I thought like the tint has to go in the inside.
Yes, but we're not at that step yet.
Oh, there are two sides? So are we rolling it up or what?
Hold up. Double check. Yeah. That's good. I bet. Okay, so now you're gonna roll it up.
Oh shit.
So you peel this part back now. Make sure it's all good on the top before.
I don't know why I did that.
Yeah, me either. Okay. Roll it up. All the way. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, since it's wet outside, you don't need that much water.
Dude, that was pretty epic. Not gonna
And
lie.
not even gonna lie, that was pretty sick.
That was awesome.
So now we got the edges rounded off. All you do is just put like a Bondo card there, put your finger, and then just like cut around your finger. So like get the excess
Like
part
finger.
to get like a smooth thing. Yeah, that would be bad. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to separate the plastic part from the actual tint to get like the sticky part on. So what you're gonna do is like use your teeth to start it. So okay. I didn't get it. Hang on.
Let me get closer.
So now that it's exposed, in order for it not to stick, you need a lot of slip solution. So I'm gonna have Andrew be spraying.
Slip solution.
It's water and soap. Okay. Like spray this. So spray.
Okay, how do I spray it though?
You click. You. What the fuck? God, you have to pump it. Man. Okay, don't squeeze it too hard. Don't get us wet. All right, so spray right here. God damn it.
I'll leave it in there.
Okay. So
Yeah.
barely.
Dude.
Okay. Spray. Now just spray like all along. Well, all the parts that are becoming exposed, spray it. Yeah, see? So now it's not sticky anymore.
Incredible. Next form. I like the form.
Huh?
I'm getting wet. Okay. Yep. Squirt it. Squirt it.
Shoot.
Okay, so you're gonna pull this down about halfway. Okay, now, so spray one step more at the top. Okay, so now you're gonna have to get this other side wet. If you haven't cleaned it already, you're gonna wanna clean it now. So Andrew Farmer's gonna spray this.
Oh,
Okay, so in windy conditions, this sucks. We have to be very careful. But I'm gonna try a new method where I just plop it over. Okay, you ready? So keep getting that wet. Yeah. Okay. Good.
that's incredible.
Okay. So now with the slip solution, you can just put that shit in place.
Slip solution.
Soap and water. You're gonna have to roll it on your window a little bit.
I got it.
Okay. Let me see a bundle card so we can apply the slips.
Oh, why is it not stopping? Karl.
Yeah, it's a little broken. So you have to turn on the car, mate. Mate.
You have to turn the car on, buddy.
Sorry.
Like barely, alright? Barely. Barely, mate.
Karl, what's not working?
1, 2.
Alright, a little more than one. Alright, good. So now with the slip solution, you can just peel this bad boy up.
Yeah, do you pump?
And good. Nice and fucking round, mate. Okay. So now you got that, you're just gonna wanna. So now that that is. Oh shoot. Okay, now you grab a clean microfiber cloth, but this isn't really clean. But
Oh, you can't just.
okay, usually doesn't do that, but okay. Okay. Try to tint with no as little distractions as possible is best. Okay, that looks pretty good. You want to take a look?
Nice, dude.
Okay.
I think we should redo it.
Yeah, you know. Okay, so now that this is good on the top, we're gonna roll up the window.
I call Karl. I can't. I call rolling it up.
You call Karl? That's
I
kind of
call
gay.
Karl.
It's kinda gay, Andrew. Hang on, wait, don't roll it up yet. If your tin ever gets sticky, just slip solution that bitch. Okay, go. Wait.
What?
My foot on the brake and
It's not gonna do anything. Brake just stops the wheel, not the engine.
Okay, I'm playing. Roll up the window.
all the way.
Slow, but yeah, all the way but slow.
Kind of hard to make it slower. It was big.
Okay, yeah, you're good.
Oh, you're 10%, dude.
Up. Wait, roll it down. That's good. Roll it
You
up.
creased it.
No.
Wait, make it flat. Make it flat.
Yeah. Like, I mean,
Some bubbles here.
¿Dónde está? Oh yeah. Good call. See, always keep an eye out.
Little bastards.
Do you edit your videos before you post them?
No, I just.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I would do too.
All right, go.
My car just sink down.
Oh, good. Okay, so now
Nice.
I'm gonna need someone to apply the slip solution
Not slip
while
solution.
I pull out the other plastic part to expose the rest of the sticky tint.
What?
That was.
Okay, so now as we peel the plastic back, you're gonna want to spray it so it doesn't stick to anywhere you don't want it to. So like you like turn it. Okay, good. There we go. So just keep spraying. Like across here too.
Get in there, Andrew.
Get up, mate. Up.
I am.
Get
Dude,
in
I'm
there.
trying. All right,
Oh
hold
my god.
You're a virgin.
on. Yeah, I know.
Yes.
Go like over here too. Like come across with it. Yes.
Oh, squirted everywhere.
Yes. I'm getting wet. Yes, get it wet, Andrew. Get it wet. I'll go over here too. Over here. Yeah.
Almost done.
Okay. Okay. So now what we're gonna do while this is,
Nice and wet.
you're gonna wanna like peel it back and tuck it in.
Crease it. What the
Andrew,
Dude, who did that? Fonzie, is that you?
the guy with the fucking spray,
The guy with the MAGA shirt.
and then you peel it back and then tuck it in. You wanna peel it back. That's why you want a lot of slip solution, so it can move.
It's not slip solution.
You can make your own slip solution
It's not
with water and what is it, mate?
You know what it is?
Yeah.
So.
Lubrication.
Oh, okay.
I thought it was soap.
Soapy water.
Do we have like just a regular towel?
You could just say soapy water.
It's slip solution.
Soapy water
Why
or
is it called slip?
lubrication.
Look at this. Oh, this is actually looking really good.
Oh, this is awesome.
Oh, see, like those are the fingers I was talking about.
The
We're gonna have
fingers.
to tuck down.
The heat gun?
Yep. Oh, that actually looks really good. Damn.
Impressionante. Impressionante.
Okay, so you just want to dry it off to see if there's any little imperfections that we missed. See, there's just a few fingers that we need to push down. Okay, so spray. This is the final result. Looks really good. There's only like 3 little tiny dots right here. Yeah. Here, watch out. Let me shut this. Hang on here. Hey.
Relax, bro.